Okay.
So am I take? Oh, it's recording.
It's recording.
Okay. So how is the clam chowder?
Okay, this is the first time in 5 years living in California that I'm going to get a clam chowder. Believe it or not, and I'm not drunk. This is just the first glass of wine that I'm getting.
Well, señorita Laura.
Okay, and then I don't know. I know that it's good. So this is dedicated to my mommy, to Tanya.
Just taste your clam chowder.
Oh yes, and I'm going to taste it. Oh my god.
Go.
I'm not in it.
Not bad.
Not bad.
And then next to me is my boyfriend, but then he doesn't want to show
I'm
up.
not in it, right?
I mean,
Just
you
your
can
fingers.
Listen. You can listen. Say your and say hello. Just say hello. You're not going to be in the video.
Hello, Lydia.
He's just here, but then he doesn't want to show up, which I respect.
I think
All right.
she had too much
No,
wine.
listen.